How to add thumbnails to YouTube Shorts. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Then click on the plus icon at the bottom. After you click on the plus icon at the bottom, click on Add from Gallery. You can shoot your video as you want, but I am adding from gallery. Select the video you want to add and press on next. I'm selecting the photo as well because I want to add that as my thumbnail, and press on next at the bottom right. After that, click on next again. If you want to add music, you can. If not, press on next. You can edit. If not, press on next again. After you press on next in here, you'll find a pencil-like icon at the top left corner of your screen. Click on the pencil-like icon. And here select the green photo, or like the photo you want for the thumbnail, and press on done. After you do that, you can press on upload short at the bottom right and you're good to go. This is how to add thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.